passwordless authentication, passwordless authentication between two servers. Two servers. So passwordless authentication between two servers. How you can connect these guys? So passwordless authentication between two servers. Private key will create the public key. One second, guys. I want to again need a CLS copy ID underscore RSA to moderate. Let's check this. So just so again go to the root, guys. So once you are in the root, what is that ID underscore RSA? Again we need to connect them, close, new tab, 92.168.56.112. So what is the user list? User is root, password is red hat. Red hat. Okay, login. ID underscore RSA ID underscore. Yeah, this is the file. Downloads. Yeah, so this is the file in the downloads. Now let's for putting Putizen. This is the Putizen. Load the file. Downloads. All files. ID underscore RSA open. Okay, yeah. So this is the file, guys. So actually here we able to copy this file, but unable to copy. Save as a public or save as a private. Save as a private key. How you can connect? So what is that? Linux. Durga Linux. Okay. I'm creating in the downloads. Durga Linux save. Okay. So VA slash etc SSH SSHD config sshd.config. So permit root login, yes. Yes. Pass public key pub key authentication. So here pub key authentication, yes. Password authentication. Password authentication. No. Public key authentication equal to yes. System CTL restart SSHD. Okay, next duplicate session. Login as able. No supported authentication methods available. Okay, you see, we need a public key, right? So for this purpose, so new session 192.168.56.112. So what is that? Authentication, credentials, browse, downloads, Durga Linux, open, and appearance, change, bold, setting, okay, apply. Yeah, guys. Server used by the key. Public key only, right? I think permit root login is no. That's the reason. Let's see. Duplicate session. Server used by key. Mm, You can try it. Password authentication. Yes. Application. Two. Perfect. So CD dot SSHD and radian oh, yeah. So this is the file only, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the file only. Cat slash cat id underscore rs. No, from this file only we created, right? Dot pk. Let's try again. New session. Only 168.56.1. Tensions browse Kubernetes PPK. So through root will let server abuse key will hat. You see, guys, permit root login equal to yes, right? That's the reason. Password authentication, it's right. Server refused our key. Yes, we we authorized we authorized underscore is this SSH instead WQ chmod 600 600 SQS. Let's try new session. SSH credentials. Browse. Yes, guys. I'm able to change settings, appearance, change, board, 18. Okay. Yeah. So if you want to connect through public key, right? That dot ppk. So what you need to do, cd slash dot ssh. In the dot ssh, there is a authorized keys, right? In the authorized keys, so in the authorized keys, you need to copy the pub key. So once it is copied, right? Now you're able to connect with through ppk file. So now you're able to connect with the .ppk file. Understood? So now server know in the authorized keys, oh, this is our, so this is our keys. This is our PPK. Yes, understood?